Right now, I'd like to introduce Mr. Patrick Albright and Mr. Richard Montoya.
Good evening. My name is Patrick Albright. I'm a senior at Jesuit, and I'm very uncertain about where I want to go to college, but I have it narrowed down to about 15 schools. I'm on the cross-country team, the track and field team, a member of Sodality, and the president of St. Catherine's CYO. I took the more traditional path to get to Jesuit. I went to Keio, France until 4th grade, and then I transferred to Christian Brothers for middle school. From there, I knew that Jesuit was the only high school I wanted to attend. My friends and I, we knew that Jesuit would keep us focused spiritually as well as academically. I knew Jesuit was the best high school in the city, as well as the oldest founded boys' school.
Good evening. My name is Richard Montoya, and I'm a senior at Jesuit. I'm involved with soccer, Sodality, and the Service and Social Justice League. I've applied to multiple colleges through a nonprofit organization called QuestBridge. I found Jesuit in a different way than most of my Jesuit brothers. I found this incredible school truly by chance. In 6th grade, I attended Meisler Middle and transferred to Riverdale Middle in 7th and 8th grade. A friend recommended Jesuit to me, but I didn't know much about the school. At the time, I wanted a school that offered a rigorous academic curriculum, a place where I could grow spiritually, and a place where I could play varsity soccer.
An experience that changed my life was during my freshman year. I quit the football team. There was nothing wrong with the football team, and I loved the coaches, but it wasn't in my heart to play, and it wasn't the right fit for me at the time. So I decided to join the cross-country team, which led me to the track and field team. What could have been a large roadblock in my life turned out to be one of the greatest blessings. Coach Rudy Horvath, the head cross-country coach and track and field coach, is one of the greatest men that I've met in my short life. Not only does he run morning practices throughout the entire summer, but he also checks up on us in the classroom, always preaching, "Remember, gentlemen, academics come first here at Jesuit." A man that not only coaches us, but helps to mold us into being a better person. I haven't gone a day without talking to Coach Rudy.
What I didn't expect from this school was the way it helped me form my character, shape me into the young man I am today, and challenged me to become a man of faith and a man for others. Sodality of the Immaculate Conception and the Service Project are two major factors that have contributed to my spiritual growth. Sodality is a program where you grow spiritually among your Jesuit brothers. The Service Project is a program where students volunteer 100 hours of their time to various charities that need direct one-on-one assistance. For my service project, I did Operation Upgrade. Since 1971, Operation Upgrade has brought together disadvantaged but academically talented middle school students from all over the New Orleans area for an intensive 5-week program to help these students for their next academic year.
Richard has already explained what Operation Upgrade does during the summer. What I learned from Operation Upgrade is this: life isn't always about doing the best for yourself, but it's about doing the best that you can for others. Remember, we were put here to help each other, not just ourselves. That is the hidden curriculum here at Jesuit, to step outside of our comfort zone and to challenge ourselves into doing more. Along with Operation Upgrade, my Kairos retreat was a large building block in my spiritual formation. I won't give away too much, but being with my classmates for 3 straight days without technology opened my mind to the special connection that I have with everyone here at Jesuit. Most importantly, it demonstrated in a real way how we, and I mean Blue Jays, are all one with the same mission, and that is to make each other better. Better men for one another. Better men in our communities, but most importantly, better men for God.
In addition to a challenging curriculum, the school spirit at Jesuit is like no other. An example of this is the rivalry game between Jesuit and Holy Cross, the 5th oldest in the country. 10,000 people tailgate before the game. Military heroes are honored. And the Blue Jay spirit is as vibrant as ever in the student section, the Gizzard. Great lessons reside within these walls at Carrollton and Banks, but not all of them are in the books. In many different ways, I've learned that the setbacks in life make us stronger. Each hurdle in your way is simply another learning experience. Never fear failure, but be terrified of regret. Ultimately, everything is up to you. So it is up to you to make wise, well-thought-out decisions and passionately using your gifts to execute that plan. All AMDG for the greater glory of God.
Good luck in your decision.
Thank you, Richard, and thank you, Patrick. You guys did an outstanding job. And I want y'all to see Jesuit.